Hi, I am Anshita, and today I will show you how you can start a new conversation in a specific channel in Microsoft Teams. New conversation in Microsoft Teams means creating a new post regarding a new topic, which means that there is no ongoing thread of that specific topic in your Microsoft Teams. Most of you must be wondering that what is the difference between the new conversation and replying to a post. In new conversation, you start an entirely different new thread for discussion or knowledge sharing. It's like creating a new mail, but in replying, you are posting your message in an ongoing thread. So let's see how you can do it in your teams. I have pinned my important channels. I'll go to my channel. I will select new conversation. So here I can add a subject Microsoft 365 update. I will tag Ankita. I will tag found this new article. I will paste the entire link and I will hit send button. So this is my new conversation about Microsoft 365 update. I will now hit the send button and it's now in the ongoing conversation. It will not be a part of new conversation. I hope you liked the video. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section below. For more videos, you can watch Foetron Academy channel. Thank you.